Hello, this is the video that the seller asked me to make to prove that the oscilloscope power button is not working properly. So as you can see right now, the oscilloscope is connected properly to the outlet as well to the back of the oscilloscope, so the power cord, everything is set up correctly. Right now the oscilloscope should be on, but it's not on. If I press it, it should latch and it should turn on, but it's not latching properly. Again, if I press it, press it, the oscilloscope turns on as it should, but it turns off as soon as let it go. And right now the button is latched, so it's supposed to be on. One of the problems may be due to a bad connection between the switch, so it's not making connection properly, so that's why the oscilloscope is not turning on properly. Right now it should be off, it should be on, but it's not latching properly. Two main issues: one, the push button or the power button is not latching, so it's not turning off. As well, when it's latched, it doesn't turn on either, so either way you have to keep it pressed to make it work. As you can see the video closer. Once I let go, right now it should be on, but it's not on. So there's a problem with connection in the switch. And yeah, so here's the video response that you asked me for. And if you need any questions or anything else, let me know.